Welcome everyone. You might be in a situation where when you try and join a party, you see error. The game versions are incompatible for online play in this mode. Now you might be like, well, why am I getting this? And I'm going to tell you why and what you can do. So the reason why is because the PC version of Black Ops Cold War, for some reason, today as of the time recording, is now different from the Xbox Series X version. So they have different features and stuff. So why is this guy under the map? That's some, I don't even know. But anyway, that is because, if you see right here, is Black Ops Cold War down. PC was down for quite a long time, and they've released an update for it to fix the issue. The problem is, this update, which fixed the issue, also means that you can't play with anyone else, which means that, you can't, it's actually kind of ridiculous. And you see Xbox One also has issues. I honestly don't even know what to say about this. Is kind of ridiculous. In the next couple of days it should be fixed. So I was playing with my friends, then we tried to play Gunfight, he had an error code, he was forced to update, and now we can't play Gunfight. So it really sucks, but that's all there is to it. You're just gonna have to wait, like me and my friend are gonna have to do. We're planning on playing a long gaming session. It's only 7. We'll play like God knows how long, but there you go. Quick video, don't want to waste your time. You're gonna have to wait until an update's released on your console so that you can play with PC and other stuff. Bye bye.